Okay, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. today we we're going to cook egg fried rice with the easy cook, easy eat, and easy day today, right? And the ingredient just very simple. We use okay, we tell you later when we do cooking. But only the special one today, I put monosodium glutamate today, but vegetarian. Okay, just want to show you this one, right? And now we're going to cook, right? Just a few minutes because and also Thai people. When like easy day, nothing to eat, we just eat khao khai by itself, nothing else, or even for the kid, right? Okay. Right, the rice I use one bowl. This rice left over from last night, right? Because don't know today what we're going to eat. We eat this one.
Hello.
Yeah.
Stop looking at me. Look
I know.
at
Because
this bit here.
I cannot control myself
This
because
right here.
yeah, creepy man is just so handsome.
I'm doing something off camera.
Yeah. Okay. Now we eat the wok. Okay, with the oil, I think maybe 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't have to put too much. And high heat. Okay. Then if low heat, then you can smell egg. I don't know how to say that in English. The smell egg เหม็นคาว
Khao.
เหม็นคาว โอเค ผัดได้หรือเปล่าข้าวนี้ โอเค now cooking oil hot enough. Yeah, we put the egg, 2 eggs. And then we split the egg. Don't forget the heat. The gas must be high gas. Okay. Yeah, when the egg cook, the egg have to be cooked before you put the rice. Okay. Yeah, put the rice. Yeah, after rice and eggs mix well, now you put the taste. Okay, yeah, pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon, no, 1 teaspoon of this salt, Golden Mountain.ผงชูรสกูไปไหนวะ Okay, a half teaspoon of monosodium glutamate.
Fuyo.
Okay, and last we dressing with the sliced onion. Okay, that's it. Right, easy to cook.
Chimney.
See, easy to cook and easy to eat. Okay. Then we eat with the น้ำปลาพริก and cucumber. Okay.